Hello guys, you're welcome to another sewing tutorial. The last time I posted a sleeve, a leg of Newton sleeve, I said I'm going to do 2 sleeves. So the second one is a bishop sleeve. So today we are drafting a bishop sleeve. So I already have my sleeve pattern here. For those that does not know how to draft a sleeve pattern, I'll drop the link in the description box below. So now we are going to cut this paper into 2. Now the first thing is I'm going to start, let me mark 7 inches. I want the down part to be 7 inches. This is the length I want. You can decide on any length you want, but for me, I'm doing 7 inches for this tutorial. So now cut off this 7 inches. Then I'll just keep it one side. So now we are going to work on this pattern that is left. So what we'll do now, we are going to do a splash and spread also on this sleeve. So now we'll start marking how we want to splash it. On this side, I will divide this paper into 6. I'll divide it into 6. So let me do 2.5 inches. Okay. Here 2.5, another 2.5. Yeah, so now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 in between. So what I'm now going to do is you now connect it up. Connect it up with a straight line. So what you now do now is you now splash it. You cut through the lines. Don't cut it off totally. When you get to the edge here, you stop. Okay, so now this is it. We are now going to spread like this and cut on a fresh paper. We won't spread much, you get. Maybe we should do 2 inches in between, or 2.5. I think 2.5 is fine. So let's just do 2.5 in between. Let's do 2.5 in between. Like this, you mark this one like this. Then you use your marking tape. So we'll do that for everything. We'll spread 2.5 in between like this. This is how it will look after you use your tape to hold it down. So what you will now do now is to just trace these lines out so you can cut it on the paper. You follow the curves the way it is. You just follow it down like this. Just follow it down like this. Follow it down like this. Indicate the middle line. And now you can now remove it and cut it off. So you now cut. This is the down part and this is the upper part. So we'll cut it now on a fabric. We're not going to make the 2 sleeve like 2 hand. Let's just do 1. So now we'll cut. Okay, I said I was going to iron an interfacing on this one so that to give it weight. So I've done that on this one. So what we will now do now is I'll go to the machine. I'll sew here like this, then I'll also sew this other one too. All right, soulmates, so I have now sew the side of this one. I've also done that on this. Then I also run a gather stitch on it so that I can gather it to the number of this place. So now we are now going to gather. So you now face it backside, facing backside. Then you sew it round. Okay, so guys, I'm done joining the band, the down part to it. You can see how it is. This is how it's going to be. Like I said you can pleat or you can gather, depending on what you want. It's simple, it's easy to make, it's fine. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you. I'm grateful to all my subscribers, people that comment, people that watch my videos and like. Thank you all. Thank you guys. I'll see you all in my next video.